Hello, this is a quick video to show you how you can make a data recovery from a dead hard drive. But before I start with the instructions, we will listen to how it sounds because that will tell us a lot about what's the issue with that hard drive. So let's listen to this one. So this sound tells me that the read and write heads are stuck somewhere on the disk. All I'm going to do is to open it up and try to bring them back to where they're supposed to be before the hard drive starts. I'm going to use the T6 screwdriver to open this hard drive. Actually, you can use it with most of the small hard drives, like laptop size hard drives. This is the hard drive from the inside, and as you can see that the read and write heads are stuck on the disk. All I'm going to do now is to move them back to the down right to where they're supposed to be before the hard drive starts. So I'll use the T6 screwdriver and the center spindle, and I will use another screwdriver to bring the heads outside the platters. And we have to be very careful not to scratch the surface of the platters during this step. Now I make sure that the platters can move freely. And after that, I'll put the cover back in order to test the hard drive again. Now it's time to test our little hard drive and see how it sounds. So this is how a normal hard drive should sound. And as you can see, I was able to retrieve my files from this hard drive. But one last thing I would like to advise is that don't reuse a hard drive that has been opened this way, because opening the hard drive this way means it's technically dead, and reusing such hard drive, you're risking your files, your data, and your time. Thanks for watching.